my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepare oven steamed fish. This is a great, tasty and healthy way to steam your fish. It will help the fish to retain all the nutrients and also make it tasty. Continue watching. To make this oven steamed fish, you need to wash and clean the fish properly. I'll be using oil to marinate the fish. I will add salt and black pepper into the oil. Stir to mix properly. With a paper towel, dry the fish. Drying the fish will help the marinade sauce to coat properly on the fish. As you can see, the fish is cleaned properly. I'll be applying the oil mixture. I'll make sure that the oil touches every part of the fish. Contains salt and black pepper. It will give this fish a special taste. Process. When I'm done, I will set aside to marinate. To make the pepper sauce that I'll be using for this fish, I'll be using fresh rosemary. Feel free to use the dry rosemary. I will add the rosemary into the blender. I've already peeled my ginger, so I'll cut the ginger into smaller pieces for easy blending. I will cut the garlic and I'll also cut the onion. Red bell pepper for this, so I will cut the red bell pepper into smaller pieces. We're using scotch bonnet. I will roughly chop the scotch bonnet. I will add everything into the blender. When I'm done adding everything into the blender, then I will blend. When I'm done blending, I will set aside. I have already preheated my pot, so I'll be adding some oil into the pot. Also add the leftover oil that I used to marinate the fish. The oil contains black pepper and salt. Then I'll add the blended mixture. Stir to fry. I will add stock cube. Adding white pepper powder. Please feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. Stir to combine and allow to fry for about 3 minutes. Done frying for 3 minutes, turn off the heat. Make a cut on the fish. This cut is so important because it will help me to stock in the marinade sauce on the fish. I will place the fish on the foil paper and apply the fried pepper sauce on the fish. I'll make sure the sauce touches every part of the fish. I'm done applying the sauce on the fish, I'll wrap up the foil. Place the wrapped fish on the oven rack. Repeat the same process until I'm done applying the pepper sauce on the fish. Preheat the oven. Into a preheated oven, I'll put the fish and allow to steam. 25 minutes. The oven steamed fish is ready. I hope you can see how juicy the fish looks. And this oven steamed fish is so easy to make, and it is a tasty way to steam your fish in order to retain all the nutrients and the taste. Enjoy this oven steamed fish with your rice, yam, potato, plantain. I hope that you will try this oven steamed fish. It tastes so delicious that you'll be tempted to eat the fish bones. And I hope that this video is helpful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you all for watching.